Badwam on Adom TV, multi TV, so near me the mind the combination. And I have before, and so can browse the online stores are Rock Clinic Limited. One also I say, yeah, they bro, your rock garlic mixture, and I say a chill. When I teach you, I come about pay. When I'm not so I hold you, I teach our bra, rock garlic mixture, I bought constant because rock tonic, onuma to, and I'll pay a draw no mama moja and so no, BB, me, I don't find Ediamawa, rock, Malarok, and so no, Akutia malaria. Or constant because rock coal laxative and so cocoa and I say in team ne hawa recope to us here at the amount. Would you nature and Abuache, Cobedia, Repash, Ventures, Republic Pharmacy, Kings Walk, Kofsam Pharmacy, Nisi Pharmacy, Nina Okanshi, Kosam, Nina Okanshi, Sasuna Kumasi, Alaba Abuabo Station, or Onesi Kosika, Ifi in the DNM. Medina, New Road, on the Ben Anglican, sorry, friend number is 0244 183230 na ono in the and so Rock Care Clinic Limited. Well, there are the online stores at the Ebro.
One line no me friends here every what's up will be the blame you when fear what's that then radiate when fear and what's the Ankasa when fear now what's that when fear school JHS here when fear and they a assembly no and what the same compound was here bear 125 to 130. Now, what I issue the teacher one dear, and when fear a year Anglican JHS, yes, then a book what they swap, and I 10 years, yes, so my reporter, my GS, your when fear Doma, a year TS, Doma is district when fear. About woman, the Aquacata DC, Doma is see. Sir, a idea what they a bet me a book, so classroom 2011 education officer for, just a idea acquire home to someone. Ama ebu man kwa dey ahomtenya me na edi ye ho afofia wo mo ewu a wode ho petes na abra me TDC any Ghana education service for wo mo import am wo mo hwe na wo mo ndi ho dwuma me ne wo kwa myjoyonline.com myjoyonline.com de na edi frase ye alapay ne de a wode aba betu dwa hwe internet na wo ko eye online a myjoy online ni Adom online ma be adwa yankwan and then my joy online internet ababa. Dr. Gabas send me ana my joyonline.com. Dr. Gabas then send me ana my joyonline.com. And the other two Jawa say Dr. Gabas says second chance appeal likely to succeed. There's an idea we mo kwahwe say o metimi akwa wo court biom akwa ya appeal aba no no matumi eja no nya sa akwa sentence no mete so edi ama no. Global Access donate 3,000 to support flood victim and fire. Ya mintra mo ate. Still na wo mugu so ya wo tere bi mo abunya ba bi na yepo. Ya wo de da monte so ya da masepo papa. Former Bimbila DC warns of escalation in violence. Ya see DC ya no wo hoda da no. Wo tere Bimbila de still ehuru so. Ya ha dwene papa ho asama beto dwa. Wo mo tere se Bimbila asam no kra DC wo mbisa no. Wonim hu bi pa. Eno wo asam ewo my joy online online.com. Crown Prince Academy to roll out the learning program soon. And also on some woman nay, Cape Coast University for one say na ye be Ramadan Juadano, Sadano no the exam siase, and until school for years, so almost a fast. One person do Ramadan, be also so a metro sorry. And no was and also and no what's up so, and I made the media brew. Make what Adom online and the media Adom online and you see, and they one line me new pair and they do my come up Adom. And my joyonline.com was a man to divorce wife over a wedding ring. Man to divorce wife wedding ring. Yeah, what they said. What bay so you said the bottom war. So this year wearing the eye and today a branty one is near made our pass and your ring no one person there. Our dear and I won't pay wasam our adomonline.com. Roberts Roberts attack Thai MP. Hey, a Dominic and Fran, I'm ready, yes, yes, I'm Roberts attack a Thai MP. And who was some our adomonline.com one. Yen himself once about was me, I saw some yes. Maybe I know I'm open to be idea and I won't be able to have some yet. Yeah, online stores, no, me de SCA. And I'm this year rock mixture, rock garlic mixture, rock coal laxative, and rock tonic, and Malarok, Wamada Roma, and a year. Online stores and the Abrewo. Okay, yeah, Chia Nana Kunya or Quanson Kosoba, Canada Kunya 7. Make our person Rock Clinic Limited 14 South number in the 0244 183230. One other Roma and a Joada company Fiada
yɛde online stories ɛde ɛbrɛ Nana Kondia oyɛ Elmina mahene adapɛ Nana bakatwe I understand say bibia yɛ kama yɛda wase sɛ wo so kɔ social media man ɛne nkɔatwa ho nyinaa ahyia no wohyɛ wo no animonyam yɛwura Asem Kesee
mame wɔhyɛ happy birthday ama Kofi Michael birthday and ama Kofi Michael I'll say tomorrow is ama Kofi Michael's birthday happy birthday in advance and koma ama Kofi Michael which is and until happy birthday to you I'll say wish myself for one kasa wo di birthday young wish the man on wish on one kasa no God's grace and blessing if we abena amwako an immigration service Kofi Odua ene na woda na Richard was here na woda Richard our Richmond's herbal obuase enyinem fie ene woda happy birthday to you was say woman please I want you to wish sweetheart Frank Owusu Danso aka Raskunta ya wa asenfosu bantama we titani wa asen adiembra DHS happy birthday and unti happy birthday to you say happy birthday to my lovely husband owura obedo fosu owokede ene wa woda free yire owura yire patient ofa bia ofosu was say ene wa woda di happy birthday to you and was a special greeting to Dana Nyameche and in a busuafo nyina Dana Nyameche and in a busuafo nyina akwe
CD rice fuel prices must fall. The Alliance for Accountable Governance has taken a note of the appreciation of the CD against the major trading currencies over the past few days. Though we welcome steps taken by the economic managers to stabilize the CD, the good people of this country are interested in how the CD will appreciate further and whether this effort is sustainable. Considering the current precarious economic situation in the country, any attempt at stabilizing the CD is considerate and not out of place, as it has an overwhelming effect on the microeconomy of Ghanaians. Times are hard and individual households are struggling to afford a square meal per day. However, AFAC would like to know in actual fact the reasons behind the sudden fall, its sustainability, and the effect of this fall on petroleum products. Dr. Nana Efriye, Nana. Doc, good morning. Appointee saying.
Judge, the Usimifa, we are in school.
Doctor, good morning. Appointee saying.
Hello.
Hello, Doc. Good morning. Appointee saying.
Good morning.
Boko dear.
Appointee on house way.
Nyame Adom Boko. Well, I'm reading a press release from AFAC. Now, EPC the import because it's like more either a bit of suspicion or doubts as to kwanya Ghana esikano airborne homoding as against other major currencies. Mubeti mama nchemu kakra.
Lady come I'm share with you for. Your statement you better on mono. A war message in the answer. First of all, I say you commend the finance minister or the economic managers for efforts taken in stabilizing or appreciating the CD. Now, per se, one empo emma yeti and one say a idea be sustainable and idea says and one then the cost a boy because a boy will find the grace so you know any idea you don't want to yet politics. Then among the issue of sustainability is one. Because last year ago, July, August, also. Now it was based upon three things. Euro bond, you know, were $1 billion subscribed. The facility Omojo IMF, and a cocoa bond syndicated loan, and no raised the hopes in the economy, and therefore confidence built. And it means plus forex. The Bank of Ghana for Yankama idea can offer by forex restriction. You only figure and the confidence rise a bank of for go about their normal life because let me catch you say the dollars in circulation there a month where would you know a doesn't change their buy war. But in economic management, where there is lack of confidence, you know, one of them say, follow you because they don't believe in you. You know, almost how almost keep it and therefore hardship on Obama. If we raise issue about sustainability, what they are doing, is it sustainable? And I say something about 9-day wonder because many of them say this system is import driven economy. To go into the latter part of the year, a lot of imports come in, and for that matter, they need a lot of forex. And then it happens that it puts pressure of more demand for the dollar, and the city staff falling. And yet, the papa money is there. But the impact of this appreciation versus the reduction in the international crude oil prices per barrel. A fee by year 56, I could do by year 50. No, and how no here plus the appreciation because these are the most important variables in the equation. That equation, MP for some Magana for whom there is lack of transparency in calculating fuel prices. No problem. But the point is that we know that these are the two important variables in that equation. And for that matter, your expertise still on the concept of confidence in the economy. And was anka 2 weeks near Sanema Wayajina I away. Now was anka want to take initiative. Nanka want to change the prices, and the many. Now almost chairman man phone cards from Makazania Thursday, yeah, that is so. But when it is time for them to change prices, they are almost incentive. I don't know, so almost better price modia, almost an incentive. I don't know, could do so one better prices for the year. One is trying to make up 2 weeks, 3 weeks now, man for can once. And as I see, also know, what did the regulation by? Yeah, I fact, as an entity that believes in free market enterprise, yeah, did it, yeah, oppose, yeah, say you're good. Except say, yeah, can say a bad fit. A bad fit because, yeah, so say, 1 year at the time, see the number of the conformity, now almost feel say, sudden increases in prices all the time, every crazy panic. And a my bad name to the system. And one, quickly give it to market for 10 minutes. And the suppliers, play a major role in determining. But what we also were afraid of, say, almost behavior as cartels, they would be strongly controlling prices, and therefore the MPA assured say they would ensure transparency. Transparency where me no need formula. I bet me I calculate and ensure transparency.
Well, Doc, so Doc, my clarification here. Still no more feel say about any forthcoming with the reality on the ground. Is that the case?
The reality on the ground is that, to me, with the question you have asked is that the fuel prices crude has gone down, city has appreciated, and therefore let it transform immediately.
But how does it even transform when one more raising issues about doubts as in sustainability and even suspicious as to what has gone into stability now, any reduction?
The transformation is based upon the formula they use to calculate prices. And by all means, it can transform irrespective of the issue of sustainability. So I am not challenging their efforts in decreasing it. That is why I have commended the finance ministry for the effort. So it shows how open AFAC is on the issue. We are not saying, say, Jomaya no enye. Yes, say the omo ye no omo betimi ama no at na hoda because the city no mpono e kosu bebre a e ka ho a ye pesa. Enti no dear, I am not doubting what they have done. I am asking, is it sustainable? Because last year, exactly July, August, city no man also, and that's what we call evil. And don't you know, I idea this time no, who betimi a sustain na. And this is a simple question. No can say towards the end of the year, they better ensure. Yeah, it is really. I'm happy about it, but I'm not talking about that now. I'm saying, sir, looking at the fact that fuel prices increase are inelastic, and it has a transmission effect on everything, on all prices of everything in this economy. So one actually, so the price is not conformed by 2 weeks near for crude. Now say see the now by a week or two near. Maybe can say increase. On earlier prices than to show later when people are agitating for it.
I see.
Just Marcia.
Yeah, but
they are two. Yeah, they are two different things. Yeah, because I am moving on the concept of economics, and therefore we are talking about confidence and expectation, which are two important things.
Okay, Doc, we know we read about. We really this gives time to talk about. Times are hard and difficult for Ghanaians to even get a square meal, and not even the third one, first, second, third, but just that one, is becoming a struggle. How are we getting into this? What is going into this calculation? What is making what you're saying the reality on the ground at times are indeed hard, that we are struggling to get a square meal?
Oh, the situation as it is in Ghana now, no, and yet easy. It is a plague. Probably the plagues of Egypt. When we do so, corruption abesing alcohol. Na do so a trouble. Na because so na business how we be our culture be a work hospital industry is a lab reagent equipment every day goes up. And therefore you get to here. Now looking at Obata and the baby, ono kukuma onyabimba. Aketia ebano ye rent so the airport light bill ye what do so no na light bill after the man so pa and so be anything and don't you know they make an we talk about something because something disposable income because we are nyane there boss in a big the face nominally na say we treat your BBL here I hear come ebusiano you see how poverty has increased we are sure say Ghana Living Standards Survey releasing indicators. You see that there's going to be an increase in hardship and poverty, which that one, we don't need a rocket scientist. We are saying that when you bring out with your grandpa, no button and in the body. Not a wish to be no mere, no say, I showed the way I'm for friend and the PI, I want to be too steady. The community announced that if you have a good thing from a book, because the bill be frail, and to be here, a patch, say, yeah, situation is here no. Say, a queer be a basse, one HMA manager economy no ma. One eye in the year, my price and import, feeding a man also. Na, or your grandpa no, a conforma. In the many man, no, not to say, I'm a month for, and when I want, I cry. Aha, Sana, ye patch.
Doc, you better say, but I found with you, come on.
Oh, Yamia Daroma.
Right.
My main for a video to share, I suppose if you for, I did.
Yes, that's a piece of Jabrania. Doctor, Nana, a free Afa.
Akufu, I send him a test, say, I'm pa. Akufu, so I'm to be cramped and sa. Oh, sees in pain, pound to be pigeon and sanity. Oh, Brepa, Kufu. And I on why they are sending me.
The Jana JJ one, I said, Party Veno. Oh, that's to the JJ one, a party.
I will drive a Freddy Blade, and I'm
a party business. Has something to do.
Not a Freddy Blade on your party business. Freddy Blade, when your party business. Oh, my friend, we are some. Okay. Let me
draw it as a party business.
Party people should take care. What by ye? And the only other one. I don't go from a boy, yes, I know you send the number back. Why? MP no, what movie I don't know. Hey, not one number that's going another question. Yeah. Near man, I want to care, Mutier. Was the MP, what movie on the highway, or say, a crowd in Sawam Kwana so. Now the 6 mobile phones.
We do man, we are
6 mobile phones, 2 iPads, 2 iPhones, camera worth $21,000, 3 luggages, an amount of 53,000 Ghana cedis. And one came, I was in Sawam Sambodo. Me, Madame for hey. Yeah, I no when you go came na o de kwa kwa su to Amadia ho. You.
What's a baby and
Gentutu. Gentutu.
Gentutu ya fa. Gentutu. In Kwanza not in agent Gentutu ni.
Mr. Gentutu. Na Gentutu in Kwanza not in time. Gentutu. Gentutu.
Gentutu. Bodina me friend.
Oh, Mr. Gentutu won't. And the actual hey. Gathered that the lives of Mr. Gentutu. Makwai pay me person so hard that I'm dem.
That we have a product here that was CP. When I'm ready for diabetes, Sabbath, so a cutia CCIM team, or come about periperia, a cutia or quasula down for the mixture. Say, oh, dear, poor Dunia.
Matilda Santos, yeah, it's the on the head of Access Bank, a women's banking.
Oh, good.
Matilda Santos, I down for that.
Okay, yeah, Matilda, no,
I Matilda Santos, so head of corporate
and a deputy communications.
Yeah, they were director in charge of women banking.
Okay, and a deputy communications minister. As you said,
I only know a consultant.
And a stand, so not all.
On the candidate.
Dudu Rankasa de Ope Biatao. Nana watch your Kaishi drug lane. Case work or Kaishi drug lane. Kumasi, Freddie Mesa, I call it back. Takwa the AMS, Takwa Oase, we do for Bogos, unique apps and more. Or was a smart herbals, Union Mosaic Pharmacy, and a Green Light Pharmacy. Frere Dr. Asnot, and I'm Mama Ruby on 020-7872-155 and 0246-493230. You don't want to say, I join a couple of fiada. When I say, I say, Constant Kosua, you day a year Asem Kesee a day bro. And there's Stephanie Usu about 4, and I would that, and until Nini say, men can't so be as one can be man. OPK, go so. Well, to me, send messages. I agree with Alhad that most of the MMDCs are not performing at all. OPK, yeah, we'll go so and or the yes, so that's one. So I love your dress. And your GTP no style. And am I into na Gloria Epam media water so man. What is the meaning of Badwam?
Nanato Zanato. Ah, what's the meaning of Zanato and Nanato?
What's the meaning of
Badwam? Ah, now Badwam. Uko Badwam, baby, Badwam. Oh, now we will be such a thing. We'll treat that. Let me tell you saying,
what's the meaning of
Badwam?
That's how tea, the only
Badwam, a tree, Badwam. So, Badwam.
Okay, Dabiadma, a call Ama, a Wallace, Abba, a Mr. Muslim from questions and suggestions in advance. Prophet Alex Chumba life. Na Enedim Komoya Fini Huno so. Ache. Nti Wallace I can.
Yeah, sorry.